ladies and gentlemen, I'm Precious Arabaranya, sharing my story about my childhood. Childhood memories are like paint pictures that hold a special place in our heart, even though they are situated in the past. They stay so fresh in our mind, as if they are fruits that I never go wrong. And in our soul is where they are tightly tied, like the anchor of the ship in the holding ground. No one can deny that as people, we always hold a so-called childhood memory, not only in our mind, but as well as in our heart and soul. I am well aware that most of you know me as a shy and nonchalant type of person. Well, that's true. That's why even I can believe that what I narrate to you already happened to me, despite the personality that I have. So, to begin this story of mine, let me take you back to the summer of 2015, when I happened to watch on the TV shots information regarding the Star Magic Workshop. Not gonna lie, I joined because I got intrigued alongside the eagerness to learn how to sing and improve my socialization skill. However, I had a hard time at that moment since it was required to dance too. You know me, right? That I don't know how to dance. All of a sudden, realization hit me that being a performer is no joke. It's so exhausting. But I still had fun. Now, reminiscing myself singing and dancing on the stage, so fulfilling. I'm so glad it is marked to me till this present moment. I still remember how fast my heart was beating to a mixture of excitement and nervousness. Moreover, right before we start our performance, I got more worried because the stage has no light to the point that I could see anything. But thanks to my friend, she helped me to go to my assigned position. You all know what's funny? Since I was so tense back then I sang a line that is not even part of the song. Oh. Happiness and When I Grow Up by Matilda, and A Happy Song by Muppet, and Happy by Pharrell Williams are the ones we present that the audience enjoy for the clap so loud. And of course, my grandmother was also in the crowd, supporting me, of course. Luckily, we successfully finished it and received a certificate for Star Magic. I also saw a comedy actress named Alora. You know her, right? But I feel shy to take a photo with her. Digging deeper, right after some time, my friend invited me to join an acting workshop under the Strong Point agency of GMA Wagas, wherein Ma'am Irene Go, who is kind and sweet, stood as my director. I learned a lot from her, especially how to show emotion like being angry, sad, surprised, happy, and many more through appropriate body language, proper facial expression, all the way to the right tones of voice. Honestly, right then and there, I felt I was not suitable in that kind of setting, for I am just new in acting. But having the opportunity to experience it is so worth it. One time we had a role play, and to tell you the truth, Ma'am Irene Go was not satisfied with my performance. However, that made me note what areas I need to improve. Also, she asked me if I would accept if ever given a chance the role of a dead person who needs to be put in a coffin, and I confidently said yes because I like a challenge and I'm always open to trying something new. Without a doubt, the aforementioned memories of mine are like a gem to me that I am treasuring the most. That's all. I hope you enjoy my story about my childhood memories. I know you have a lot childhood memories like me. Please share your own childhood memories and think about who is the most good childhood memories. Is it you or me? It is you or me? Para maging updated kayo sa susunod ko pang video, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification below para updated ka sa susunod ko pang video. Goodbye!